2nd April 2025 is the deadline set by US President Donald Trump for imposing reciprocal tariffs on trading partners, including India, unless they lower their own tariffs on American goods. This date, dubbed Liberation Day by Trump, marks a significant shift in US trade policy, aiming to mirror the tariffs other nations impose on US exports. For India, which faces tariffs averaging 3% on its $66 billion in US exports while levying an average of 9% on US imports, this could mean a steep increase in duties potentially matching India's rate starting 2nd April. The White House has emphasized this as a move to correct trade imbalances, with Trump singling out India as a tariff king due to its high duties. If no deal is reached by this date, Indian exports like pharmaceuticals, textiles, and autos could face higher costs in the US market, risking $2 to $7 billion in losses annually, while US imports like electronics could get pricier for Indian consumers. April 2's importance lies in its role as a hard deadline. Either a deal or exemption is secured, or tariffs kick in, reshaping bilateral trade. The road to 2nd April began earlier this year. On 13 February 2025, Trump signed a memorandum during a meeting with Indian PM Narendra Modi, announcing reciprocal tariffs to address trade disparities, with 2nd April as the enforcement date unless negotiations succeeded. India, enjoying a $45 billion trade surplus with the US, responded swiftly. Modi and Trump agreed to aim for a bilateral trade agreement by fall 2025. Targeting $500 billion in trade by 2030. India started cutting tariffs on select US goods like motorcycles and bourbon as a gesture. By March, urgency escalated. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal visited the US, and a US delegation led by Assistant Trade Representative Brendan Lynch arrived in Delhi. India's offer to slash tariffs on $23 billion of US imports, 55% of its American goods, aims to preempt Trump's threat. But the clock is ticking with just 4 days left. If 2nd April passes without a deal, tariffs will hit. But the story doesn't end there. The BTS first phase, due in fall 2025, offers a longer-term fix. India might absorb initial tariff shocks, as it did in 2019, while negotiating. A Morgan Stanley report estimates a $6 billion export loss depending on tariff severity, though India's domestic market and new trade pacts could mitigate this. If a pre-April 2 deal emerges, it might delay tariffs or limit their scope, preserving trade stability until a broader agreement materializes. A full bilateral trade agreement by 2nd April is unrealistic as its scope is too vast, and past US-India talks show how contentious issues like agriculture and data rules stall progress. However, a temporary deal or exemption is feasible. India's $23 billion tariff cut proposal and its strategic value supplying 40% of US generic drugs bolster its case. Trump's team, including Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, has hinted at flexibility, suggesting countries could negotiate tariff relief pre-April 2. Goyal's US trip and today's Delhi talks show momentum, with reports of a fast-track mechanism to address key sectors. Yet, risks remain. India resists deep cuts on dairy and autos, and Trump's unpredictability he's could nix concessions. A 60-40 chance favors a stopgap, perhaps a tariff pause or partial relief tied to India's offer, buying time for fall talks. If not, tariffs roll out, but India's resilience and ongoing diplomacy suggest the real negotiation battle stretches beyond 2nd April. As of now, with talks wrapping up today, no firm outcome is confirmed. 2nd April will either spark tariffs or signal a last-minute reprieve.